So, hello guys. I don't know if this is kind of awkward, but I get a lot of questions about how to being a system engineer, or yeah, probably you guys asking my experience how to being a system engineer or front end engineer, or probably you guys don't know how to start it. There is nothing way to like if you want to be system engineer, do this, do that. There's so many options. So yeah, it's just start with the coding thing also. Very good, I guess. And and also my favorite language is Python and Java because it is very close to human language. So it's easy to understand or easy to learning. So, well, my laptop is here, so I will look at it here. And today we're going to delve into a comprehensive exploration of the of one of the fundamental aspects of the Python programming language and variables in data types. So first, yeah, how to download Python is just Google it. So to begin with, let's dive deep into the concept of variables. Variables are containers that hold data, allowing us to store information, so temporarily for later use. Let's explore how to declare variables and assign value in detail. We assign the string data John, John, to the name variable and the integer date 30 to the age variable. Let's look at examples involving integers, floating point numbers, and strings. So we assign the integer 42 to the integer on the bar num. Num, N-U-M is number, so yeah, it doesn't mean like variable the floating point number 3.14 to the float on the bar num variable and the string. Oh, this is so basic, kind of like a traditional hello world. Yeah, this is your first time type of hello world to the text variable. We utilize the print function to display variable values. Here you can also output multiple variables together and combine string with variable values for printing. So like, it is very simple, right? If you want to print out, it looks like this. Print, and inside, my name is, and name. So what was the name? Name contained the John, right? So how it goes, how they print out. And what about print? I am age, years old. Print an example of an integer. An example of a float. A string example text. Yes. So till here, very simple and yeah, easy, right? You've now learned more about variables in data types. Armed with this foundational knowledge, our next video, my next video will dive into conditional statements and control structures. So stay tuned for more exciting learning. So I'm not sure you guys are waiting for the next video or not. I don't care anyways, I'm gonna make another video. So thanks for watching.